Good morning, you guys. This is my outfit. This is day 2. Today is like we're gonna go to Seventy Hearts, grab some coffee or even Merlot, honestly, whichever comes first. And then I have a special event meeting today, and then we're gonna go to the museums or shop depending on our mood and the weather. But this is my outfit. Comfy, chic, Parisian, they would say. Okay. This is my mom's outfit. I love her pants. She got those from Cause, I believe, and then the jacket is Zara. Yeah. Cute. Are you sure your shoes are comfortable? I love your outfit because the super cute. Okay, let's go. How's your day been?
It's good.
I'm glad you're liking this trip. I love your outfit. You look amazing, per usual. Actually, mommy got stopped by this French lady.
I'm so sad.
Yeah, they asked her what she was wearing and if she spoke French. So that will be up maybe. Ilayo. Let's go. Come on. Oh, she was so cute. Hi, you guys. Today we did so much. We went to first we went to the Marais, and then we were in the 3rd and 4th where we shopped. I went to this modiste and she tailored made these like jeans for me, which I got to pick up the same day, like quite efficient. And then we are like ending our day. We went to Musée d'Orsay, and now we're at the garden and we're just gonna stay here for a little bit, perhaps go to a wine bar after. Like, good day. Look at how amazing everything looks. It's like spring in Paris. It's like incomparable, bro. Like, this reminds me of Elizabeth Street Garden, but like large, you know, like space and people can sit.